Country of origin: United States. The package height of the product is 2.731 inches. The package length of the product is 18.321 inches. The package width of the product is 6.668 inches. Established in 1919 and traded on the NYSE, Standard Motor Products, Inc., SMP, is a leading independent manufacturer, distributor, and marketer of replacement parts for motor vehicles in the automotive aftermarket industry, with a complementary focus on heavy-duty, industrial equipment and original equipment markets. Top reviews from the United States. It works. Is Census Temp? What more can you ask for? Connect was the same on my Tahoe, probably most small block Chevys also.